Welcome to RV University, where innovation meets creativity and dreams transform into reality. Our B.Sc Honours in Animation and VFX is a pioneering program designed to ignite your passion for storytelling, visual effects, and game design. Let's dive into what makes this program unique and how it can shape your future. Our B.Sc Honours in Animation and VFX is an immersive journey into the world of digital artistry. Over 4 years, you'll explore the fascinating realms of animation, visual effects, and game design. This comprehensive program blends traditional techniques with cutting-edge technology, preparing you for the dynamic entertainment industry. How animation is made. Animation is a magical process that brings stories to life. It starts with a concept, followed by storyboarding, where each scene is sketched out. Then comes character design, where our characters get their unique looks. The magic unfolds in the animation phase, where we create movement. And finally, the post-production phase, where visual effects and sound are added to create a seamless experience. Behind every animated feature or game, there's a team of talented professionals. Animators breathe life into characters, storyboard artists map out the story, VFX artists create stunning visuals, and game designers craft engaging gameplay. Other key roles include character designers, 3D modelers, rigging artists, and sound designers. At RV University, you'll have the chance to explore and master these roles. Throughout the program, you'll develop a diverse set of skills. These include traditional drawing techniques, digital sculpting, 3D modeling, animation principles, VFX compositing, game design, and programming. You'll also enhance your critical thinking, problem solving, and storytelling abilities, making you a well-rounded professional ready to tackle any challenge. Career preparation is at the heart of our program. You'll engage in hands-on projects, internships, and industry collaborations that provide real-world experience. Our dedicated career services team will guide you through portfolio development, resume building, and interview preparation. By the end of the program, you'll be well-equipped to enter the animation, VFX, or game design industry with confidence. RV University, where creativity meets excellence.